No. This could be one of our videos we put on YouTube. Oh my gosh. Okay, breathe. Okay, breathe. Oh, I hope he never finds my YouTube. My stomach. Who doesn't know who we're talking about? She doesn't know who we're talking about. You never know. I hope it's recording. Good luck. No. Yes, it is. Spaghetti. Just grabbed it. That is not good editing. Hi, Julia. Hi, Julia. I'm Emily. What's up? Homie G. Oh, yeah. What was wrong? Oh. You don't need this on camera. I think my hiccups are gone. Oh, I don't know why that was funny. Come to me. That's the sticky note! No, that makes it sticky again. That was bad. Juice box. I don't know what you're talking about. It's so funny. You know who I think is adorable? Who do you think is adorable? Sunshine. Oh, Sunshine is adorable. Completely adorable. Oh. Do you think that's video now? Wait. Like, Shelby, that's hilarious. That's a knee slapper. Ow. I just realized you can't really see our heads. Yeah, you can if you bend down. Oh, look at this. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we can kind of see it. Oh, there you go. If we sit back. Back here. So this whole time it's just gonna be from like here up or from here down. You just eat raw spaghetti. Isn't that stuck in your hair? I'm still gonna eat it too. I just dropped some on the floor. Oh, we should have went skate world. What? We should have went skate world. What's up? And we were at the football game watching it. Some other partner. I mean, we're watching the football game. Kept cheering for the wrong team, but you know, we made it in the end. Who cares about what these people think? There's a piece of spaghetti. I popped his tail! That's a meat slapper! That's just like I popped his tail like... No! You're not supposed to know this. But I need to. What? We gotta go over this again? No.
What did you not get me?
Phone number.
Thank you.
Maybe I should say his name. Everybody knows what his nickname is.
Hmm? Yeah, you cannot say the nickname, or I will tell someone what you were doing.
I don't know, just talking about I love my boyfriend very, very much.